Okay, you're gonna recognize this job. We got a complaint that the water's not hot enough. So I'm gonna read the instructions again and make sure I do this right and adjust the temperature on that unit. The first task is, let's get the temperature. First of all, let's check, see if we have hot water on the cold side. This is a big problem. All cold water. Perfect. So that's working. Now let's get a temperature reading on the hot water. Alright, 120. 120.9. Probably dropping. I'll give it 5 more degrees. And so far on the job itself, the homeowner's happy, no fluctuations, the hot water's steady, and definitely no cold water. Check that. No hot water on the cold side was a big problem. And again, what we did was as per page 6, Ron McLean options, which should have been options. I guess they should tell you to do it. Expansion tank, 2 traps to stop gravitation of hot water to the cold side. Expansion tank to also stop the expansion of hot water into the cold side. I guess that tank absorbs the expansion. And a temperature control valve that regulates the temperature. So far, everything's good, because that's been 2 weeks now. Anyway, back to the main thing. We're going to adjust his temperature and give him some more hot water. Okay. According to the paperwork, loosen the screw. Handles off. I don't really get this, but if anybody's real familiar with these things and wants to chime in and give me a pointer, feel free. I'm gonna give him an 8th. I gave it an 8th turn. I'm gonna put the handle back to the flat area. This way they know what to do. You know what I'm saying? They want to turn it themselves, which I told them not to touch it. But we know homeowners get a little crazy. Ouch, that was my head. Let's check the temperature now. See what we can do here. Just started here. 120. What? Still 121. I'm gonna crank it a little bit more. Hot water is preference by code. Screwdriver, please. In my pocket. Got it. By code is 105 to 120, Angelo. Above 120, you can actually get scolded. And in all the paperwork, you'll see 120 is the recommended top 10. You know what I mean? Because of all liability, you know that.
Yeah.
So, all right. I'm going to give this one more quarter turn, and that's going to be it. So if you go all the way on, you can't turn this. So, okay. Alright. So it's... Okay. Kind of weird. We'll go with it. Alright, Angelo, check that temperature. 25. 125, 126. I see 126. Give me a 126.5. A 126. What do you think? 5 degrees is plenty, right?
Yeah.
It's a wrap. What is our catchphrase?
And there goes another satisfied customer.
That's right.